Welcome to this walk around video on this lovely Macan GTS that we've just brought into stock. This is a 17 registration with tons of specification which I'll go through throughout this video, but it is finished in this lovely sapphire blue metallic, and you do get the LED headlights with the Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus. Now, as this is the GTS, you do get the sport design package as standard, just making it even more sportier. But an option on these is indeed the sport design mirrors, and something you don't see all too often, the carbon side blades with the GTS logo down there. Move to the wheels, you do get the 21-inch Sport Classic alloy wheels finished in black. And you do have your rear privacy glass. We move around to the back, you see the tinted taillights are standard on this car, and you do get the sports exhaust system with the black tailpipes. Moving into the car now, it does have the full black leather throughout, and you do get the rhodium silver stitching and seat belts, and also the embossed headrests. BOSE sound system throughout the car, and of course you do get the panoramic roof system, which is fully electric. So if we move into the front, you do of course get the folding mirrors, and this is the aluminium trim in black throughout the car. And in front you do have the fully adaptive 18-way seats with the memory package. Heated multifunctional steering wheel with of course your paddle shifts. And if we go through here, it does also have the air suspension and Porsche Active Suspension Management. And of course it does have the updated infotainment system, so this does come with the Apple CarPlay Connect Plus, and also has a Sport Chrono package. Other features, it does have satellite navigation, and it also has the rear view camera. As you can see, it's done just over 62,000 miles. Lovely specification on this car, and in really good condition too. So there it is, our 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. It does come with a full Porsche main dealer and specialist service history. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.